The sunlight spills on a coffee cup, a lazy glow, the world wakes up. I sip my thoughts, the day's still new, all wrapped in the warmth of this cold brew. Oh, cold brew, you're my muse, a morning charm I can't refuse. You're smooth, you're sweet, you know what to do. You start my day, my lovely cold brew. The breeze whispers soft through the open door. A melody dances across the floor. The hum of the world feels distant too, when I'm lost in the depths of this cold brew. Each sip's a promise, a gentle kiss, a stolen moment, a quiet bliss. The ice may melt, but I'll stay true. Forever yours, my darling brew. Oh, cold brew, you're my muse, a morning charm I can't refuse. You're smooth, you're sweet, you know what to do. You start my day, my lovely cold brew. So here I sit, the hours slip by. A sip, a thought, a wistful sigh. The world can wait, I'll see it through, with one more taste of my cold brew. The sunlight spills on a coffee cup, a lazy glow, the world wakes up. I sip my thoughts, the day's still new, all wrapped in the warmth of this cold brew. Oh, cold brew, you're my muse, a morning charm I can't refuse. You're smooth, you're sweet, you know what to do. You start my day, my lovely cold brew. The breeze whispers soft through the open door. A melody dances across the floor. The hum of the world feels distant too, when I'm lost in the depths of this cold brew. Each sip's a promise, a gentle kiss, a stolen moment, a quiet to do. You start my day, my lovely cold brew. So here I sit, the hours slip by, a sip, a thought, a wistful sigh. The world can wait, I'll see it through, with one more taste of